In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Pipedrive account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Pipedrive account. You'll want to go to the Pipedrive website and input your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can see all your pipeline activities and other relevant details. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the Account menu. Look for your profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select My Account. This option will take you to various settings related to your account. Once you're on the My Account page, the next thing we need to do is navigate to the Billing section. Look through the menu options and find the Billing section. It's usually fairly easy to spot, so once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Now, depending on your account type, you'll follow a different path from here. If you have a free Pipedrive account, you'll need to click on Manage Subscription. This option is straightforward and will guide you through the necessary steps to manage your account. On the other hand, if you're a subscriber with a paid account, the option you want to choose is Cancel My Subscription. This will take you right into the process of initiating your cancellation. After selecting your respective option, you will be prompted with on-screen instructions that guide you through the cancellation. It's crucial to pay attention to these prompts, as they will ensure that you are confirming your intention to cancel your account properly. You might see a few confirmations along the way. Just follow these prompts carefully. There's usually an option that asks if you're sure you want to cancel. And if you are indeed certain, go ahead and confirm that you do want to proceed with the cancellation. Finally, once you've completed all the necessary prompts, your cancellation should be finalized. You might also receive a confirmation email acknowledging the cancellation of your account, which is always a good practice to keep just in case you need to reference it later on. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Pipedrive account. Remember, if you ever wish to return to Pipedrive in the future, it's as easy as signing back up again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Checking your subscriptions and understanding the cancellation process can sometimes feel overwhelming, but now you know exactly what to do. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you need assistance with, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Take care, and I'll see you in the next